Did you know you could try out the Verizon network for free for 30 days? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So here we are on Verizon's Test Drive page, and basically let's look at this very quick FAQ. So basically you may be eligible to try Verizon's mobile phone service for free for 30 days with no obligation. You can keep your current phone number and carrier service during your trial. So this is definitely going to be through eSIM, and you can see there's a QR code that you're going to scan on the phone, and I'll definitely leave a link in the description so you can see and read through this yourself. So how do I know if I'm eligible for Verizon Test Drive? You get to download the My Verizon app and follow the prompts. Your smartphone must have an eSIM slot available. No, you can't currently be a Verizon Visible or Track Phone customer. You must be in the US. Your smartphone can't be blocked with another carrier. So basically you have to have a unlocked phone. And you can't have enrolled in Verizon Test Drive in the last 12 months. So here are the devices that you can use to test drive Verizon. So the Apple iPhone 10R and above. You can use the Google Pixel 4 and above. And some Samsung phone devices as well. So definitely leave the little fine print about the Samsung devices. So I actually want to give this a try and see if I could enroll in Verizon's Test Drive. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to scan the QR code, and all it will show you is that it's going to give you this little message. Once you scan the QR code, it says try the network America relies on for free. Get unlimited talk and text and up to 100 gigabyte of premium data free for 30 days. So get the free trial app. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the free trial app first. So clicking on this link doesn't really work unless you have the Verizon app installed. So just go to the App Store and download the My Verizon app, and then it will work. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on Start Free Trial. Okay, and now it's going to give you all the pretty much the same information that we saw earlier. Click on Get Started, and also no commitment or credit check required. So this is pretty cool if you just want to try it out and see if Verizon is a good option for you in your area. And now it's going to ask me for all this information. All right, so once I've filled out all the necessary information, it's going to tell me what are the next steps. So say that we'll set up the Verizon cellular plan. Once that's done, you'll be able to add it to your phone and decide how you like to use it. If this device is on another carrier's network, you'll have two phone numbers during your trial. You'll be asked to label which is your primary, your current phone number, and which is your secondary, which is the Verizon trial phone number. Once you've labeled the lines, customize their use by going to the iPhone settings or whatever settings it is for your phone, and just kind of change how those two cellular plans are going to be used. And I'm going to click on Continue. And now we're just going to wait. It says we're setting up your test drive plan. All right, looks like after the setup, it does take a while for it to actually, this little eSIM prompt to activate. So I'm going to go through this, activate eSIM. Okay, so now it's activated, and now an eSIM from Verizon is ready to be activated on this iPhone. So I'm going to click on Continue. And just be a little patient, it does take a while. All right, so once the activation process has been completed, it's going to say default settings changed to cellular plan. And it will give you a random number for you to try out. So this particular number is now active on this iPhone. And now here are the cellular plan labels. So I could label them to see which one I want to use as my primary number, and then the other one could be my secondary line. So I'm going to keep my primary number as, my main line, but I'm going to use this one. I'll just label it as business. Yeah, let's say I'm using this for his business, just for testing, and select the default line. So which one you want to use as your main line to make phone calls. In this case, I'm just going to use the main line, which is Tello, which I'm using at the moment, but I could always switch it later on. And if you do use iMessage and FaceTime, choose which cellular plans you want to use with iMessage and FaceTime for your Apple ID. I'm just going to continue using the same primary line that I've been using. Use cellular data. So this is where I choose which plan I want to use cellular data from. So I am going to use the Verizon one. I'm going to leave cellular data switching turned off. Just tap on Continue, and you're all set. For the next 30 days, enjoy unlimited talk and text and unlimited data on Verizon 5G network. It may take a few minutes before your trial number is fully functional, then you just head on to the account dashboard to learn more about the test drive. All right, so I'm gonna do that, and there it is. It looks like I'm activated, so I have 30 days to basically try this out. Let me see if I could set up personal hotspot. So it doesn't look like you can use hotspot. So it looks like the test drive will only allow you to test, on a mobile device. It's not gonna let you do tethering. So unfortunately, it seems like that's not gonna be something I could test out.
So here are my network speed tests that I perform around my neighborhood. Left hand side is the regular 5G network. On the right hand side, I got a 5G ultra wideband connection. And for the most part, they're almost about the same. I'm just getting somewhere between 60 to 87 megabits per second for my download speeds, and somewhere between 3 to 5 megabits per second for my upload speed. What I noticed with the 5G ultra wideband connection, I lose that connection and it just goes back to regular 5G. So it's pretty unstable when it comes to 5G ultra wideband. But what are your thoughts on this Verizon Test Drive feature? It's great that they let you test out the network for 30 days, but I want your opinion. So leave your comments below. If you want to check out my review on other prepaid carriers that uses the Verizon network, check out my visible review right here or the US mobile review right here.